Meaning of goody-two-shoes.
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 Goody-two-shoes. Goody-two-shoes is a term used to describe a person who is overly eager to please and behaves in a self-righteous manner. The phrase originates from the title character of a children's story called The History of Little Goody-Two-Shoes, who is notable for her extreme goodness and charity. Today, the term is typically used in a derogatory sense to mock someone who is perceived as being too moralistic or smug. In essence, a goody-two-shoes is seen as insincere, holier than thou, and excessively eager to impress others with their virtuous behavior.